my beloved child. Before you hear anything else, I want you to pause and listen closely. This is not a coincidence. It's not by accident that you're here. You've been looking for answers, hoping for peace, longing for a sign. And now, you've found one. I am Jesus Christ, your Savior, your friend, your refuge, and I am speaking directly to your heart. You've been carrying burdens, trying to stay strong for everyone else, but secretly wondering when your breakthrough will come. You've asked questions in the dark. Lord, do you still see me? Do you still care? And today, I'm here to tell you, yes, I see you. I know you. I've never stopped loving you. There is a shift happening in your life. A transformation is on the horizon. And if you trust me, walk with me, and listen to my voice, you are about to enter into a season unlike anything you've ever known. I am about to shower you with peace, prosperity, healing, and joy. Not because you earned it, not because you're perfect, but because I love you deeply, unconditionally, eternally. So I want you to stay with me until the end of this message, because every word you're about to hear will bring you closer to the healing you've prayed for, closer to the peace your soul is craving, closer to the breakthrough that has been delayed, but never denied. Let us begin this sacred moment together, my beloved child. You've endured so much with quiet strength. There were nights when you lay in silence, wondering if anyone heard your cries. I did. There were moments when you gave and gave, while receiving little in return. I saw that too, and though the world may not have acknowledged your faithfulness, I have written it all in the book of remembrance. I never forget the sacrifices made in secret, the prayers whispered in the dark, or the tears that fell unseen. Now I say to you, a shift is coming. A divine reversal is about to unfold. The very areas where you felt stuck will now become your testimony of freedom. The doors that once remained closed will open wide, not by force, but by favor. You've been faithful over a little. Now I will entrust you with much. There is no randomness in your life. Every experience, every delay, every closed door has been part of the preparation. And though you couldn't always see it, I've been shaping you with eternal precision. You are not forgotten. You are being positioned. So hear me. Your season of sowing in tears is over. A harvest of joy is at your doorstep. Your health, your finances, your relationships. I am restoring them, layer by layer, breath by breath. You will witness an overflow of blessings not just for survival, but for purpose. I am not just giving back what was lost. I am multiplying it. And child, I want you to understand something deeper. This is not just about material provision. This is about identity, about knowing who you are in me. You are royalty. You are not a victim of circumstances, but a victor through grace. You are not overlooked. You are chosen. You are not barely making it. You are walking in abundance. You are not alone. I am always with you, guiding you into the fullness of your calling. This isn't the end of your story. This is the beginning of a radiant chapter filled with purpose, joy, and clarity. You've been in the valley long enough. It's time to ascend the mountain. It's time to dream again, speak life over your destiny. Declare my promises with boldness. Say it with me now. I am loved. I am chosen. I am restored. I am walking into my destiny. Yes, beloved, you are walking into your destiny. And there is no delay, no attack, no past mistake that can stop what I've ordained. Let the winds of change blow. Let hope rise again in your heart. Let faith lead you. Not fear, not pain, not past regrets. You were made for more, and the time is now. You've waited long enough. The next part is greater. Keep walking. I'm right beside you. Beloved, you've looked at others being blessed and quietly wondered, when will it be my turn? You celebrated their breakthroughs while your heart ached in silence. But I want you to know, your turn is not denied. It is divinely timed. Delay is not denial. It is divine preparation. You see only the surface, but I see the roots. I've been strengthening you from within, anchoring your soul for what's to come. You didn't give up when it would have been easier to walk away. You didn't harden your heart when people hurt you. You didn't curse me in your storms. Instead, you kept praying, even through trembling lips. That faith has moved my heart. And now, my response is unfolding. Listen closely. I am restoring your name. I am healing the hidden places that even you forgot were wounded. I am making sense of what once confused you. And the ones who watched you suffer will now watch you rise. This restoration isn't just for comfort. It's for mission. It's for purpose. I'm raising you to be a light in the darkness, a voice of hope for the weary. You've been through pain, yes, but not in vain. That pain has become oil, and I will pour that oil into the lives of many through your testimony. You've asked me for clarity. You've said, Lord, just show me what to do. So hear this now. Walk forward, even if you can't see every step. Trust that I will light your path as you move. Fear has whispered that you'll fail again, but I am shouting over your fear. You are being led, not lost. You are being called out, not cast away. I'm aligning people, resources, and divine appointments on your behalf. In the coming days, you will see sudden alignments, unexplainable peace, and unexpected answers. Do not be surprised. This is my hand at work. This is what I promised you in secret, now being fulfilled in the open. There will be moments when it will feel too good to be true, but believe it, receive it. I am not a man that I should lie. What I've spoken over you, I will bring to pass. Now, lift your head, child. Don't walk with shame. Don't shrink yourself to fit spaces I've already called you out of. Don't stay where I've already moved you forward. This is the season where you will no longer just survive. You will thrive. Your light will shine, and it won't be dimmed by fear, guilt, or doubt. You will carry peace into every room you enter. You will be known not for your pain, but for your praise. You will rise not by effort alone, but by my Spirit lifting you. Stay faithful. Stay expectant. The tide is turning. The battle is shifting. Your breakthrough is not a distant dream. It is on the horizon. Can you feel it now? The weight lifting, the clouds clearing, the strength returning to your bones? Yes, this is me. I'm breathing fresh life into your spirit. I'm reviving what you thought was dead. And I'm doing it not because you earned it, but because I love you. Always have. Always will. Beloved, in the quiet of your heart, you've been asking, is this the end? The road has been long, and the challenges have sometimes seemed insurmountable. But I tell you, this is not the end. This is the beginning of a new chapter. What you've experienced is nothing more than a refining process, a shaping of your soul for what lies ahead. I've been preparing you for something far greater than you can imagine. The storms you've weathered have taught you how to stand, how to rise, and how to trust when the ground beneath you feels shaky. Now, watch and see how I will bring you into a season of flourishing, a time where your dreams will finally align with the purpose I've always had for you. Trust me when I say that the struggle was not for nothing. Everything you've gone through, every tear, every doubt, every question, has been a part of my plan. I never waste a single moment of your life. I've been at work behind the scenes, orchestrating every detail, preparing you for what is about to unfold. It is time to lift up your eyes and see the harvest that's coming. The seeds you've sown in tears will now yield a bountiful harvest of joy, peace, and prosperity. Those around you will see the glory of my work in your life, and they will wonder how you did it. But you will know it was by my hand, my grace, and my divine timing. I'm about to open doors that no man can shut. I'm about to release blessings that will overwhelm you in the most beautiful ways. Not only financial abundance, but spiritual abundance, relational restoration, and divine favor. You've been faithful with what I've entrusted you, and now I will pour out in abundance. This is your time. But let me caution you, my child. When these blessings begin to flow, remember this: it is not by your strength, but by my Spirit. It is not by your wisdom, but by my guidance. Give glory to my name in all things. For every blessing, every breakthrough, every miracle is a gift from me. Your prosperity is not just for you. It is for my kingdom. It is for those who need to see my goodness in the world. When I bless you, I am equipping you to be a blessing to others. Your success is not just for your enjoyment. It is for the advancement of my purpose on earth. You will be a beacon of hope to the hopeless, a provider to the needy, a friend to the lonely. I am calling you to be the hands and feet of my love, to spread my message of grace and mercy wherever you go. And as you do, know that I will continue to bless and sustain you. I will open doors that you never even knew existed, and you will walk in favor and abundance. Now, child of mine, know this: you are not alone. I will never leave you or forsake you. No matter where you go, no matter what you face, I am with you every step of the way. I walk beside you, and I hold your hand through the toughest moments. Even when the path is unclear, even when the obstacles seem too big, remember that I am bigger than any challenge you will ever face. You are my beloved, and I have called you by name. I have known you from the moment I formed you in your mother's womb. I have seen every tear, heard every prayer, and caught every sorrow in my heart. And now, I am here to bring healing, restoration, and transformation into your life. There is nothing I cannot do for you. There is no mountain too high, no valley too deep. I am with you in every circumstance, and I will make a way where there seems to be no way. When you look at your life and see obstacles, I see opportunities. When you feel like you're being crushed, I see your capacity for growth and strength. Trust that I am shaping you into a vessel of honor, prepared to carry the blessings I am about to release. As you walk into this new season, remember, it is not just about what you receive, but about what you give. It is not just about what you accumulate, but about how you impact the lives of others. Your life is a testimony of my goodness, and I am calling you to be a reflection of my love, mercy, and grace to everyone you meet. So, My child, rise up and take your place in the kingdom. It's time to walk in the fullness of what I have prepared for you. Do not shrink back. Do not settle for less. You are a child of the King, and you have been called to live a life of victory, peace, and purpose. You felt the weight of this journey, but I promise you, it will be worth it. The blessings you are about to receive will far exceed anything you've imagined. Your future is bright, full of promise, full of joy, full of purpose. And so I say to you now, step forward in faith. Walk in boldness. Receive what I have prepared for you. Trust in my timing, my provision, and my love. The best is yet to come. I am with you always, even to the end of this age. I will never leave you. I will never forsake you. I will always be by your side. I have heard your prayers. I have seen your heart, and I am answering you, not in the way you expected, but in the way that I know is best for you. So hold on, beloved. The wait is over. Your breakthrough is here.